Live from the Transition Kitchen. Here is another mucusless diet recipe. For those who've never heard of the mucusless diet, here is the first book, Arnold Ehret's Mucusless Diet Healing System. And here is the revised, edited version with all sorts of interesting facts from Professor Arnold Ehret and annotated by Professor Spira. So for more information on the diet, you can go to Professor Spira's YouTube channel, which will lead you to his website, or keepingintheflow.com, where we have all our recipes and information. Today, at the menu, we have, ta-da, a fruit salad. And it is moderately to low mucus forming. It is on the transition diet. So let me show you. It doesn't look like a fruit salad, but indeed, we have the orange is raw butternut squash that was grated. We have tomatoes, and tomatoes are a fruit. We have some sliced zucchinis, which is a fruit. And then we have some okra, which is a fruit, raw okra. And then we have some mint, some basil, and the dressing is some garlic, avocado, lemon juice, pepper, ground pepper, and let me see, sage, fresh from the garden, and a little bit of fresh stinging nettle. None of it is cooked. Now, from a technical point, all the fruits that you see that are raw are mucusless. They will not cause mucus in the body, mucoid plaque in the intestine, and there's fiber to help eliminate. Oh, I forgot. These are fermented beets, lacto-fermented beets that I did myself at home. They are also not mucusless, but beets are not so bad. And this is the transition diet. So it takes you from point A to fully mucusless. But there's no point rushing. This is a lifelong lifestyle. And we are already on the path. And so this is why this is pretty much close to the objective. Some say the avocado is not mucusless, a mucusless foodstuff, and some say it is, but we just say it's moderate, and it is part of making this meal yummy and appealing for the transition. So for the recipe, you can go to keepingintheflow.com and just find the section on nutrition and then the section on the transition diet, the mucusless diet. Thank you for watching.